Do you want to know why everyone should consume 4 eggs per day? Eggs are excellent little packages of protein that can be vital to your overall health. Being loaded with amino acids in forms your body can readily use, which makes them superior to typical protein sources like meat or whey. Moreover, eggs come with a host of essential vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins, vitamin A in its bioavailable retinol form, vitamin E, and the vitamin DK2 combination crucial for bone and heart health. The benefits continue with the egg yolk, which is particularly rich in choline and lecithin, both of which assist the liver in properly processing fats and cholesterol, ensuring that your body manages lipids more efficiently. You will be surprised to find that eggs also contain carotenoids, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, that bolster eye health by helping shield your vision from damage caused by blue light and the natural aging process. Have you ever wondered about labels like free range or cage free and whether they always guarantee optimal nutrition? Eggs from truly pasture-raised hens, especially those that have access to a natural diet including worms and insects, tend to have higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids and a more vibrant, nutrient-rich yolk, which further enhances their overall health benefits. The way I prepare eggs is by cooking them gently, whether over easy poached or lightly scrambled, to preserve their nutritional integrity, as harsh cooking methods can sometimes degrade sensitive nutrients and diminish their benefits. If you are concerned about your cholesterol, remember that eggs actually raise good HDL cholesterol more than LDL, and many fears about egg consumption stem from outdated or flawed research that fails to account for the overall nutritional profile of this versatile food. It is important for you to know that the nutrient density of daily eggs can significantly support various bodily functions, including heart, brain, liver, and eye health, with the ideal number to consume, whether 1, 2, or 4 a day, depending on your individual size, lifestyle, and personal nutritional needs. When you consider the impressive array of beneficial compounds found in eggs, it becomes clear why they are a staple in many healthy diets, not only for their high-quality protein, but also for their ability to deliver a balanced mix of vitamins, minerals, and other bioactive compounds that work synergistically to promote optimal health and well-being, making them a small yet mighty addition to your daily nutritional arsenal. In summary, incorporating eggs into your daily meals not only provides unmatched nutritional support, but also enhances dietary versatility and long-term health. So tell me, how many eggs do you consume per day?